Hey guys, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. So coming to that, today is the good news for all. So job role is the SQL developer role. Before going to the video, so make sure please subscribe my YouTube channel. I can share daily the fresher video job applications. So here, so coming to this role is the SQL developer fresher. So description of the video job description is the so they are looking for the motivated and detail oriented SQL developer fresher. So to join their dynamic team, so details the idea of candidates will have a basic understanding of the SQL server and a passion for the learning, growing the field of database management system. So fresher, I can exploring their application process deadline. So coming to that, experience is the fresher, so anyone can be applied either in the 25 or 24 candidates can also be applied. So education background, so any graduate, okay, if you are in BE, BTech or ME, MCA, those candidates, any graduation, anyone can be apply this. So location, come to this Hyderabad, so you can apply this. So I can share the links, all the description links in the application link in the description. So coming to the roles and responsibilities, so here what you do, okay, first of all, design and implementation and maintenance of the SQL server database. So this is the important for this who are major concepts here, because of how to entities decide how to making the solutions of their attributes repetitions and entity development. This is the common for the any SQL developer. And coming to the next one is the write a optimized SQL query. Okay, if you're writing the queries, if you're writing the more joins, so more optimized queries you can be writing on this. So efficiency of the data retrieval and manipulation, so how the data is the showing and what are the what and what criteria, how you selecting selection process using. So this is the next point. And coming to the collaborate with the senior database administrators, okay, so you can work closely with the senior developers of the SQL. So if you don't know anything, they can friendly mannerly guide to you. Okay, so next one is the developers to understand and implement database requirements. Okay, if you need anything, so they can be easily explore to you what this is the process. And coming to next point is the participate in the database backup and recovery process. Okay, if anything is the loss or by fault, you can make that. So rollback privileges, so you can use under the retrieve the data backups. And next, coming to the ensure data integrity and security by following the best practice and company policies. Okay, so best way to integrate the data and security by following the best practice and policy means, so what the client requirements, so based upon their client requirements, so you can work on that and design their entity models. This is the next point. And generate report and policies data analysis as needed. Okay, after completion of projects, so we generating a report is it's a common, yeah, as a fresher you don't know, so you closely work on the senior developers, so they can guide you to how to make the reports and data analysis and need. Those are the concepts. Okay, next, coming to the desired candidates profiles. So first of all is the good knowledge of SQL server. Okay, SQL server means you can work any platform of MySQL or Oracle, what you are SQL like, or this is this. And SQL programming, if you know PLSQL, okay, it's the best, it's a good thing for you. Okay, if you know, otherwise you can apply, don't worry. Okay, next one, coming to the strong analytical and problem solving skills. This is the common, they are common any company they are asking you. So it's our ability to what to do in here. So next one is the excellent communication under teamwork ability. Okay, so communicate with the what and what criteria, the senior developers as a associate developer, so you can communicate as a fresher, so we can more closely work on this as much as possible, so we can getting upon these features. Okay, so next one is the eagerness to learn and adapt the new technologies and methodologies. It's mean, so you can, if SQL project is done, you are integrated into the another project. I mean, some role of a front end developer or a Java developer, so you can easily quickly learn and integrate to work on that projects also. This is the process. As a fresher, you don't expect the same, I can work on this SQL only. So what the company requires, so you can work on the technologies also. And next, coming to the attention to detail and committed to deliver a high quality work. Okay, so this is this one is the, I mean, so work on the closely with the high quality product designing and the development of the developer. Okay, next one is the skills, so familiarity with the database design principles and understanding of the data warehouse concepts. Okay, here is, you can observe here data warehouse concepts. Without you don't know the warehouse concepts, so don't worry. Snowflakes, I mean, some of the major concepts is there, just learn and leave it. Okay, And the next, coming to the experience with the other database management systems like MySQL, Oracle, Plus. So I already said, you know, any platform. Okay, MySQL, Oracle, so these are the platform, but queries are the same. Okay, so some of the small concepts are different for that, SQL and MySQL and Oracle, how to implement the system. And next, coming to the, if you feel contributory well, if you have any skills, I mean, if you developed a separate project, okay, it's a real-time projects mainly. So thus you can contribute with their HRs. Okay, so they provided the email also, create a career at the rate revalsystem.com. Okay, sys.com, it's a not system. Okay, so this is the process. I can provide the all the links in the description. Through on the link you can apply on that. I can show you how to apply also. So what are the criteria, what are the needs, the first requirements. So okay, click on the apply link, so you are redirect to the this page. Okay, so in this page, so you can observe here your first name and last name and email ID, and then after mobile number and a message. In this message, what you mention. Okay, so what your skills, what you are build, and I mean build means projects, and any conferences or any I think projects, I mean approaches you can do. So mention here clearly point by point. Okay, clearly point by point or para by para. Mainly my suggestion is goes to the, so please mention the point by point. Okay, then after you can upload your resume. Okay, here upload your resume through after what you are, I mean, but mention, please make sure bullet use the bullet points to highlight this project. So okay, so on coming to this, enter the captcha code, and then after submit your resume. Okay, this is the process. If you like this video, please make sure they share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.